Hello students, now today we are going to discuss about the next part of the chapter, that is mass and weight. Students, actually what is mass and what is weight, you have listened about both the terms. You have listened to both the terms. So today I am going to discuss you about the mass and weight. So what is mass? The actual amount of any substance, it is called mass. Mass is actually the property of a matter, okay, and it is the actual amount of matter. The actual amount of matter, it is called the mass. Okay, so whenever the actual amount of matter is there, suppose this is the earth and over here a stone is there. So the actual amount of the stone, it is termed as the mass. But if we are considering, since every object on the earth, it is attracted towards the earth due to gravity. And when the gravity act on the mass and we are considering on acting gravity, if we are considering the gravity along with the actual amount of matter, that is the force by which the object is attracted towards the earth, then that is called the mass. That is called the weight. So actually mass is equal to, we can consider it by the symbol small m, whereas the what is the weight? When we know that earth, when the force of gravity act on the object and we are considering the force of gravity along with the mass, then that is called the weight. So we can say that the weight is the force by which any object is attracted towards the earth. So weight, it is represented by W and it is equals to mg, means gravity acting on mass, that is equals to the weight, or it is the force by which the object is attracted towards the earth. Okay students, now there are certain differences between the mass and the weight. And what are those differences? Like the mass of object is constant. It do not change because the actual amount of matter is always constant. But it is not, the weight of the object do not remain constant. It may vary from place to place. It varies from place to place because the value of gravity also varies from place to place. Okay, the mass can never be zero. It cannot be 0, but the weight of object can be 0. Where it can be 0? At the center of earth, the weight of object will be 0 because over there the gravity will be 0. So 0 into m will be equals to 0. Now the mass is a scalar quantity. It do not have a particular direction, but weight is a vector quantity because it represents the force by which any object is attracted towards the earth. Okay, mass, we can measure the mass by using any ordinary balance, but weight, it can be measured only by the spring balance. For measuring the weight, spring balance is there, and for measuring the mass, we can use any ordinary balance. Okay students, even the mass do not change from one location to another. If we are at pole and we are moving to the equator, then the mass remain constant, but the weight, it will not remain constant. Weight increases and decreases with the increasing or decreasing the value of gravity. Okay, even in space also the weight can be 0 because over there no gravity is there. Okay, now generally the unit of mass, it is measured in kilogram, but the weight is measured in the Newton because weight is the force by which the object is attracted towards the earth. That's why the weight is equivalent to the force, and since we learned that force is also equals to mg, mass into gravitational acceleration. So this is all about the difference between the mass and weight. Okay students. Now students, we are going to start the next topic, that is the last topic of the chapter, that is weight of any object on the moon. Since we will compare students the weight of object on earth as well as on moon. So first of all, for earth, we are just considering for the earth. Since on the earth we know if an object is having mass m, okay, suppose an object is having mass m. So let's consider that its weight on the earth is WE, okay, and the radius of earth is equivalent to RE. This is the radius of the earth, that is RE. Since work is equals to, means weight of object is on earth is equals to force or means gravitational force on the earth, force applied by object on the earth, since W is equals to Fe, and we know that force of gravitation, it will be equals to means capital G, that is mass of object, mass of earth upon radius of earth ka square, and force is equals to weight, because force is equals to mg, W is equals to also mg. That's why we can write weight of object on earth is also equal to G small m capital M, that is mass of earth into radius of earth ka square. Okay, this will be the equation. Similarly, the value of for moon, if object on moon is there, then weight of object on moon will be equal to capital G, that is universal gravitational constant, small mass, mass of object, and mass of moon upon radius of moon ka square. So this will be the equation number 2. Okay, now students, what we will do, we will just divide both the equation. You can divide equation 2 by 1 or 1 by 2, no problem. So we will divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. So Wm, weight of object on moon upon weight of object on earth, is equals to capital G small m capital M, that is mass of object on moon, it is at the base, upon radius of moon ka square, upon capital G small m mass of earth upon radius of earth का square. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. So we will get the value like this. Mass of moon into radius of earth का square upon mass on earth into radius of moon का square. W, weight of object on moon upon weight of object on earth, is equals to, अब mass of moon, what is the mass of moon? It is equals to 7.36 into 10 to the power 22 kg, and the radius of earth is 6.4 or 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 square, that means 6.37 into 10 to the power 6 upon mass of earth 6 into, that is you can write 6 into or 5.98 into 10 to the power 24, we will take it 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kg into radius of moon 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 into 1.74 into 10 to the power 6 square is there. Now whenever we will solve all these values, then we will get Wm upon We is equals to 1 upon approx 6. मतलब अपन को कितना मिलेगा, इसको पूरे को सॉल्व करने के बाद में अपन को 1 upon 6 मिलेगा. दैट मीन्स वेट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन मून इज इक्वल्स टू 6th part of या 1/6 part of the weight of object on earth. So students, you have to remember this. And students, one more thing is there. If weight, since weight is equals to mass of object into gravity of moon is equals to mass of object into gravity of earth upon 6. So also we come to know that gravity of moon is also 1/6 of the gravity of earth. So both these things you have to remember. Students, these calculations and all, you have to represent them, but the main thing that you have to remember are these two things.